Hello and welcome to a little paint with me session. I have been in a little mode of painting with alcohol markers lately, and I have been drawing a lot with digital, so I felt traditional is time for some. It's been many years since I painted with my Copic markers that I have. It's a set of 72. They are like super expensive today. They were expensive back then, years ago, but today it's even worse. Even this set that I have is so expensive. Like, come on. For this tree, I felt like I just wanted a few colors to work with. Nothing fancy. I also wanted to try to simplify my art as much as possible, something I learn more and more with when I'm doing assignments at Artwood. Sometimes it works really great and sometimes it's just a hot mess. But it feels like nice to be back and using these markers actually. Well, that was all. It's not a very long video. It takes just like 10 minutes to do these kind of drawings. So, like I said, it's not fancy, it's not a big sketchbook either, but I hope you enjoy watching. And I hope to see you some other time. Until next time, happy drawing!